A few months ago, I realized I wasn't actually burned out from doing too much. I was burned out from building a business that didn't feel like my own. So this business stopped becoming just home fragrance. It became about creating routines, products, and spaces that helped overwhelmed women feel a little calmer and a little more in control again, like I needed. And honestly, rebuilding this business while working, creating content, and trying to hold my own life together has been way harder than I expected. But that's why I'm sharing it, because maybe you don't need someone who has it all figured out. Maybe you just need proof that you're allowed to rebuild slowly.